Oh, we got some crows up here in this tree. Listen to them. There's a squirrel up there too. Hope you can see him. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 of them. And there's a squirrel up there that don't seem to like them being there. See, it just ran down and they jumped at it. Here comes the geese, listen. And there's rabbits. Here they are. This is great. How awesome, y'all. They do this a lot. And they did it right after I turned off the other morning. I mean, there was a bunch of them, only they were coming this direction instead of that direction. Like I said, there's a lake across, like 2 blocks down, then across the road. And that's where they're coming from. There goes one of the, it's got something, that crow. The birds are very active this morning, but if you'll notice, when these crows are around, they're not saying much. They don't like the crows being here. Now they took off and went to this tree on down that they're always in. I don't know if you can see it above that roof on down there. I don't know if you can see them moving around or not. But since they left, while they were here, the birds weren't singing very much. And as soon as they leave, they'll probably start. That's amazing. I was so hoping I would catch those geese flying over. There must be another pond or something in that direction, is what I'm thinking, and they go to it for a while, and then of the evening they'll come back, and I think they stay over here in this lake or in that area of the evenings. Maybe they can feed where they go to in the mornings. You know, it's a good place to feed maybe. I know we've got a place that a lot of ducks and stuff hang out that's very well maintained. And there's, I think, fish in there and stuff, so it's probably where they're going. Oh, I'm so glad I was able to catch that for y'all, because it happens. I see them at least once a day, either coming or going. Maybe I might get out here too late or something and they've already took off in that direction. And then I catch them coming back of the evening about 6, 7 o'clock, something like that. Here comes one of those crows back. Oh yeah. There's 2 up there. I didn't realize there was one still up there. That's why the birds were still kind of quiet. They just don't like them. You can tell a big difference in the birds singing when these are around. If y'all have been watching out here with me, you can hear how quiet it is when normally there's all kinds of things, birds singing. They're watching them. They watch these crows really close, and they don't want them around. I was trying to see if there's one still up in there. It looks like, no, there is one still hanging out over here. It's right in the corner there. Well, y'all might not be able to see it. But if I was to scare him off, as soon as they left the area, the birds would start back up again there that live around this part. There was 2 rabbits down there a few minutes ago, but then when the crows flew over them, they took off. And that would have been good to film because they were both sitting over there eating something. They're that close to my garden, y'all, and they don't get in my garden because of this pie pan I've got hanging up. This is the best deterrent, natural deterrent I've seen, is this right here. And y'all hear it behind me, I'm sure, a lot. Kitty, you up there? Hey, kitty. Hi, kitty. There she is laying there. Hello, Adam. How are you this morning? I'm doing pretty good, everybody. Thanks a lot. Everybody's looking good. Things growing. Go over this way. It takes a while for the cucumbers to get going, to spread out and stuff. But you can see them growing right up those beans are growing right up there. It's a beautiful morning. I feel some better than I have, which is a big relief. I tell you, when you cramp all day, I mean for 24 hours or more, it starts getting to be painful. I mean severe cramps. But this is the first flare I've had since I've been on my new medicine, my new infusion, and I'm due for it at the end of the month. So it may be wearing off a little bit. Now you hear the birds are starting back up. I don't even know if that one crow's left. I'm trying to see if it's still over there. Wow. That's already been a great morning, y'all. The Lord has blessed me. Blessed me for allowing me to wake up another day. Blessed me to where I'm not cramping, I'm not having any really cramps right now. And blessed me for the beautiful nature in my backyard. This is the best medicine, y'all. If you're stressed out or anxiety, just anything, you feel like you're closer with the Lord out here. I used to be so sick that I basically had to lay on the couch, like in a fetal position, all day, every day. That's awful. I don't know if anything's going on down here. Sometimes there's some rabbits now. I see something in the driveway. It's a bird. They'll start coming around now with these crows gone, because I don't see that one that was left over there anymore. But I hear them off in that direction. There's that one tree they hang out with. It's past those, if you look past the satellite dishes on past that roof up there, if you cannot even see that, I doubt it. But they've got the top of that tree bare, where they're over there all the time. And looks like they've just stripped all the vegetation off the top branches. I guess it makes it easier for them to, I don't know. I don't know why they do that. Any of y'all know why they would do that? I've been watching them for a long time. I've got binoculars and stuff where I can see the birds better. We used to feed them more, but the starlings took all the food. I mean, next thing you know, there'd be 20 starlings there just going crazy, you know, and then the poor old other little songbirds and different other things, they couldn't get anything but a few little leftovers. Which, I mean, I want to feed them all, but I want them all to get a little bit if possible. If that's the way of nature, I mean, the first ones there are gonna be all over it. They gotta find their food, all of them do. I always wanted to be a game warden, but I never did get around to it. My brother works for the Forestry Service. He's got a great job and he really enjoys it. I don't know what I would do without my brother. He helps me do a lot around here, and my brother-in-law helps too. Here comes somebody. Hey, I think it's my brother. How cool. Hey, Frank. It's my brother-in-law. Huh?
I'm not interrupting the broadcast, am I?
No. I was sitting here just filming these birds and stuff.
Yeah, it's beautiful. You got a beautiful yard, Mike.
Thank you. I'm gonna
Enjoy coming over here to mow.
I'll get off of this right now. I appreciate y'all watching. My brother-in-law's here, so I'm gonna see what he's up to, and press that like button, subscribe if you hadn't already, and hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you later.